All right, guys, if you're not using Google Search Console as a place to kind of help inform your marketing strategy, you're doing it all wrong. So Google Search Console is from Google, and it allows webmasters, is what they used to call it, to be able to understand like what and how people are coming to your site. It shows a lot of data in terms of organic, and they've started adding like a bunch of product listing stuff inside of it. But the way that I would use it is being able to understand the terms that they've indexed to understand like, hey, what traffic is being driven or what even impressions are being driven to your site from Google, right? And so that's a really good, like, rich piece of data. Now, there's a lot of crap in there too, so you got to figure out how you can like analyze that data. And what I would recommend is, I mean, with all these LLMs out there, being able to like, you can create a program that downloads and dumps all the data for you. Like, go ahead and use the Google Search API. I believe there is one, and pull the data, or just pull it manually and figure out the trending topics that are driving clicks to your site, and then maybe the ones where you don't rank, because it will show you like your general page rank, if I remember correctly, as well as the impressions, which is really, really huge in the clicks. And if you're getting impressions but not clicks, that tells you that someone is ranking for that term above you. Now, that said, a lot of the stuff in Google Search Console will likely be like informational intent and not like retail intent. And just so you know, Google has terms that they actually index that are retail versus informational. If you guys don't believe me, I don't care. I know what I'm talking about. So there is a specific set of keywords that they do in terms of like understanding that is retail intent, and they're gonna save that for ads, right? And there's stuff that's like informational, where maybe it's a service, but maybe it's also just informational, and they're not gonna be able to commercialize that. If I were Anthropic or OpenAI, I would think about creating some sort of search-like console that they could sell to companies, thinking from a product perspective, right? So obviously there's privacy and all that in consideration, but these are long tail search keywords. And so being able to, where Google is not, it has it for free, and SEMrush makes people pay for it, like $150 a month or something. And then with like, Anthropic and OpenAI trying to figure out how to monetize all the things that they're doing, this is a really great way to monetize. Do what SEMrush is doing, but figure out a way to do it privacy centric, but also give retailers an understanding of what people are actually searching for in conversational agents that are commercial things that people who want to advertise like me would be willing to pay for. I mean, that would be a huge product idea. Go build out a Anthropic search console, which I think they would never do because of all the ads they ran at the Super Bowl. But like, do like Google like search console, do something like OpenAI search console or something, so that people can understand your data sets and basically what they can derive from it. I mean, everyone hates ads, I totally get it, but that is a great monetization strategy if we wanted to figure out how to make monies with LLMs.